Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about another USA-based dropshipping supplier, and that is Doba.com. So without any further ado, let's get started. Doba is a Euro-based dropshipping supplier which was established in 2002. So as of now, it's one of the most comprehensive dropshipping service providers you may find in today's US market. So if you're looking for a dropshipping supplier that carries out shipments more efficiently and effectively, choosing Doba wouldn't be a bad idea. So now let's look at the different features of Doba as well as the pricing, of course. First and foremost, Doba offers as many as over 2 million products, so you may also filter these products based on the categories like automotive, beauty and health, clothing, shoes and jewelry, computers, office supplies, electronics, home, garden and tools, pets, and sports. So the most profitable niches are already included in here, like the pets and home and garden. So you can find here the different products, like the different dropshipping suppliers. You can find here the product image, the product title, and the pricing. Moreover, Doba is always adding new suppliers and trending products to the catalog. So this means you can sell what your customers want. So second thing is that Doba is integrated with the different e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Shopify, eBay, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce. So you wouldn't have to worry about connecting your store to Doba because it has already made it easier for you. So also, what's good about Doba is that you can manage your stores in one place, like overseeing your products and order. For example, you have 5 dropshipping stores and you would like to skip the hassle of jumping from one store to another. Then with Doba, you can manage all these 5 in just one place, which saves you time and effort. Third, of course, we need to see the shipping options. So you don't need to worry about shipping methods because Doba integrates with DHL, FedEx, USPS, UPS, and trusted third-party logistics providers. You can also get tracking and shipping updates easily and quickly, keeping your customers happy and informed. So which is a great way to remind your customers that they are surely getting their items. Another is that you may also reach Doba through their customer support in chat, email, and phone support. So this is their contact us page. So you can type in here your queries. So now that we know the different features of Doba, let's look at the pricing. So the startup plan starts with $19.99 if you bill annually. However, if you pay monthly, the price of the startup plan is $24.99. So the startup plan is ideal for beginners because you are still building your store. So in here, you can integrate one storefront and list 500 products from Doba. So the 500 products is already a great number to sell. Also, you already have the basic features you need like the storefront integration, product listing, the customer support, your order placement, and the shipping options. So when you already had the resources and grew your business, you may upgrade to a business plan to access a wider scale of Doba. So the difference of these two plans, the price of business plan is $49 from $39.99 to $49.99. As well as with the business plan, you can already integrate 5 storefronts, so which is already great. You also have here 5 from 500 products, you can already list at least 2,000 products. Also, you already have the curated product list, your order and track syncing, and the same already with the different features. However, you can already bulk order upload and integrate. So with the order placement in the startup plan, it's manual. So there is another upcoming plan, which is the enterprise, but it's not yet available as of the moment. So that's it. That's everything about Doba.com. So with these different features, just decide if this works for you as well as the different plans. So I hope that you have learned something from this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!